Hey! Oh, hey! Got music playing because I'm about to do my makeup. Oh shit, I'm gonna sneeze and I have the camera on top of my tissue box. Alright, so we start with foundation. Not even, it's just BB cream. Because I just can't find a color that matches my unique skin tone. It's the first day on my new job, so I don't want to look like shit. And I want to look my age at least. And then I take another like thicker layer and I put it over the eyebrows because they need a good base before I put them on. So it's the whiter they look, the more I look like I don't have eyebrows, the more I'm gonna look like I do have eyebrows when the time comes. That makes sense. Don't know how. Okay. Next, I have some powder. Getting under the jawline. Gonna highlight a double chin, you know? I don't know why I have a double chin if I'm not like really fat anymore. Like, I look like I shouldn't have one, but I do. Now that we're done with the powder, we're gonna move on to eyebrows. My favorite part. First, I take this angled brush. It's the Angled Brush brand. And I like to just wipe off the excess from the last use on a tissue. And then I use the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. And I use this darker color, even though I probably shouldn't. We start by going along the bottom part of the brows. If you guys want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, I can definitely do that for you. Just leave me a comment. It's a lot of work. It took years and years of practice just to get it to look decent. Who's texted me? Oh yeah, my mom, because she stole my fucking buffalo chicken calzone that I was gonna have for breakfast. So I called her and I was like, bro, where's the calzone? She didn't answer though. And then she's like, did you call? And I'm like, yes. Did you take my calzone? My eyebrows do not appear this uneven in the mirror. Then I look in the camera and it's like, what the fuck? Alright, now I'm moving to the top part of my brow. Oh my god, I have like 10 minutes to finish this. Just gotta go pick up my damn brother from school. And then head to the workplace, in which there might be a cute guy, so, you know. It's okay if it looks totally fucked right now, because we're gonna fix that later. Baby, but I'll take this instead. Now your eyebrows might look even more fucked. But that's okay, because now we're moving on to the next step, which makes them look a little bit unfucked. We're gonna take this spoolie. This is the spoolie brand. And basically, I don't brush through the whole brow, I just do the front parts. Girl I'm in love with, it's cool, we're just friends. This is what you have to do when you don't have eyebrows naturally. Good enough. Now I'm gonna take this brush that I do, I know people usually use concealer for underneath their brows, but I just use the BB cream that I use on my face because I don't really want to highlight, I just want to clean it up. I always have trouble with this arch. I just totally erased it, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Good enough. She can fuck a squirrel, what else? Honestly, this camera makes me look a million times more ugly than I actually am. I look in the mirror and I'm like, wow, I look good. And then I look in here and I'm like, what? I hope I don't really look like how that camera is portraying me. Live. Alright, that's gonna be good enough for today. Next, I'm going to take my expensive product. That's actually expensive, kind of. Just kind of slide that on the lids. I had a Vaseline on, but then I ate, it like came off. And then when you have that all rubbed in, I like to take this kind of biggish fluffy brush and take the powder that I put on my face and run it across the lids. After that's done, we're gonna look at the time and see if we have time for eyeshadow. I'll just, no eyeshadow, but we're gonna do eyeliner. I use Maybelline New York Master Precise Ink liquid eyeliner. I just do my classic wing. I should know because I've heard the girls say. I look like a swollen fierce. Alright, next we're gonna take a Q-tip and clean up the wing. Ah! I fucked up. It's gonna have to work once you put the mascara on. It's not as noticeable where you think about your eyeliner. For my mascara, I am using NYC New York Color, Big Bold NYC New York City Mascara, Big Bold New York Mascara. I just want to pump that really good before we get started. Alright, that's good. Oh, I can't tell if I'm throwing up in my mouth right now because I'm like full or because I didn't eat enough. I think it's because I didn't eat enough because I know I didn't eat enough. I had like 1/16 of a meal. One eye done. Huh? I feel like I have shit in my eye. I think I see some shit on my eye. It's gonna have to stay there though. Ah! Alright, bottom lashes. Am I starting to look less 12? I never Wayne, I never Drake on my life, man. Sake, if I did, I'm gonna let him eat my ass like a cupcake. My man, full, he just ate. I don't duck nobody but tape. Man, that was a setup for a punchline on duct tape. I don't give a fuck if I was late. Big titties, big butt too. Like seasoning. Thick bitches on it. Just cracking my back. She was sitting down in that big boat? Boat? Yeah. Type that want to suck you dry and then eat some lunch with you. Good enough. Now we're gonna move on to, let me show you guys my Tartiste, or Tartist. Pro Glow palette. It's alright. So I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. On the cheekbone. I don't really have a cheekbone, but we can pretend like I do. And then I like to put some on my forehead and just aggressively blending that out. Oh my god! Fuck. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush, Maybelline Fit Me blush. My blush brush and put it in the cheek. Just enough to give your cheeks that kind of warmth. Like you've just been like sitting around by the fire, but not like you were like look like a clown. You don't want to look like a clown. Now I'm gonna go on with my highlighter, which is also in this Tartist palette thing. And I just use this brush and I combine two. Fuck. One of the things just straight up fell out. But I combine. Alright, let's try this again. The two top colors, Lit and Strobe. It's pretty much my makeup look. Fuck. Dropping shit. My eyebrows look like a little bit fucked still. I'm overthinking it. Lights down low. I added some pearls, a simple yet classy look. Now I'm gonna put on my uniform, which probably doesn't frickin' fit. I look so asymmetrical. I'm gonna put my uniform on. Don't look! Oh my god, you're so naughty.
Oh man, my tits don't fit in this piece of shit shirt.
What the fuck? Alright, let me tuck it in.
It's so long for no reason. You're trying to tuck a dress into your pants. Ooh, I look a little bit sexy.